Good morning, class. Today, in our chapter 2, we'll do about hide and hide field. Yesterday, we have done about primary key, setting a primary key, editing table in Access 2016, inserting and deleting field in data sheet view, and we also learned how to move a field. Today, in chapter 2, page 33, we will learn about hide and unhide field. Okay, what is hide and unhide field? Yes, you are thinking correct. Hide means to hide something from the table, and unhide means to again bring it back to the table. See, it means to hide or unhide the record of a table. Steps to hide. Okay, what are the steps to hide? We'll see that it is very simple. You have to just right click on the column header you want to hide and right click and just select hide field from the context menu. So you right click on the column header that you want to hide and select hide field. Steps to unhide is also same as hide only. To unhide the field, right click on any column heading and select unhide field option. Let's see the picture and understand. See, I've selected grade secured, right click, and you can in home tab also in more you'll get the option hide fields and unhide field, or you can use your mouse right click option. There are two ways, so whichever way is easier for you, you can learn and understand and see the picture carefully. See, home is there, then secure grade I have selected, add column, and I went to more and see in the drop down menu hide field and unhide field is there. Okay class, let's move forward. Note, likewise we can freeze or unfreeze column. It is the same thing as hide and unhide. This is just a extra note for you all so that you all understand what is freeze and unfreeze also. It is the same way you do hide and unhide column. Now our next topic is sorting data within a table. What do you mean by sorting? You all have studied in your previous class in Excel. What is sorting? Yes, the definition is same. Sorting means arranging particular field either in ascending order or descending order. See, it means to arrange data in ascending or descending order. Now we'll learn the steps how to sort the data within a table. It's similar to your Excel only, no change. Exact similar to your Excel. The steps are, see, select the data, right click on the field, select either sort smallest to largest or sort largest to smallest option if the field is numeric. Numeric means your letters, okay, names, address, okay. Sort A to Z or sort Z to A if field is alpha numeric, okay. So alpha numeric means when we are writing any name, address and all, and numeric means like your roll number, phone number, you can arrange to largest to smallest or smallest to largest and see the changes in the database. Okay class, now see with the help of a picture. See, I have written Microsoft, Apple, Dell, IBM. After that I just did right click and see sort option is there. Now see, sort A to Z because it is alpha numeric, and sort Z to A, and if I've written 1 2 3, the option will come smallest to largest or largest to smallest. Okay class, now see filtering in database. Think what is filtering. This also we have studied last year in our previous class, and you use filtering in your day-to-day life. See what is filtering. It helps us to display records of a table in a database. For example, when you do online shopping, take the example of Flipkart. Like you select a brand, no? For example, say Puma, Nike, Adidas. So you go to the filter option in the shopping and you select those brand. Only those brand will be visible when you are doing shopping. The same way, same system we have in the database. When we are filtering, if you want to see only some results, you select that result and you will get that output and you can see that. Let's see the steps. What are the steps to filter in database? See, select the cell and right click of the mouse. By default, all checkboxes are selected. Click on the selected checkbox. It will deselect. Select the data you want to display. Click OK. Now see, there is a note. To remove filter, click on the toggle filter button in the sort and filter group on the home tab. Okay, when you use filter, again if you have to remove filter, how you will remove? In the home tab only, you will get a toggle button in the sort and filter group. So you just click on that and your filter will be removed from the table. Okay class, we'll understand with the help of a picture. Let's see. Now see, this is the table. Now see, I selected a table. See filter, and see in the home tab only there is a toggle filter. When I click on it, all the filter will disappear. Okay class. Now what is advanced filter in a database? This also is similar to your special criteria filtering in Excel. Last year we have done this also, but this is quite little bit different in Excel what we do. What is advanced filtering in database? Think class. See what is advanced filter? It is quite similar to a multi sort in MS Excel. It is quite similar to multi-level sort in MS Excel. I told you, it is quite similar to your MS Excel what we have studied in previous class. It helps to narrow down the record. It will make your record very short, okay, and prescribe. Like you just short two things and you get the record of those students who got 90. Only that record will be shown to you. Let's see the steps now. Select the column header. Select the number filter. A cascading menu appears. Select any option from the list. The custom filter dialog box appears. Fill the data. Click OK. You have to just select the column header. After that, select the number filter. A cascading menu appears. Select any option from the list. After that, what you will do? The custom filter dialog box appears. Fill the data and click OK. Let us understand with the help of a picture. Now see, date of birth is there. I selected that. I did right click and see. I went to date filter and see. So all selected. Now see, cascading menu is there. Equal to, does not equal to, before, after, between, all dates. I'll select that and I'll do OK. Next topic is searching in database. What is the meaning of searching, class? Yes, you're thinking correct. Searching means to find something. So we can find a particular data in database too with the help of search option. Let us see what is search. It helps us to search a particular data in database. Now see, note this is very important. Where is our search box present? Search box is located at the bottom of the access window. Steps: enter a part or whole word in the search box and press enter. Access, highlight the words. To find next record, press enter key. Okay class, you have to just go to the search box, write the whole word or just partly and press enter. Excel will highlight that word. See the picture properly. Here is the search box. When you can fill the data and find next, you can do it. Closing access application. After finishing the work, click close option in the file tab or click on the close button present at the extreme right. Okay class, hope so you know this two method how to close. See, in the file we can close database. Opening an existing database, select open option from the file tab, select the database from the recent list, click on open button. This is also too simple. You have to just go to the file tab, click open and you have to select the recent or the file which you have sent recently and click open button. Now see, go to file, go to open and you will get all the save file out here and you can see a one database and all. Click any and you can open it. Your homework is this: what is hide and unhide? Write the steps to hide and unhide. What is sorting? Write steps to do sorting data. What is filtering? Write step to do filtering data. What is advanced filter? Write steps to advanced filter. What is search? Write step to search in database. Write steps to close access. Write steps to open an existing database. Important: do make your notes in your notebook. Do all your daily homework. Do the fill in the blanks and back question as we have completed our chapter 2 today. Thank you class. See you in next class and do your homework.